In today's podcast, we have a dietitian with us. She's a celebrity dietitian.
Intermittent fasting, another trend. People are doing 18 hours, 24 hours, turning vegan all of a sudden. Were you required? Do you have gut issues? Just because your friend or your neighbor or your sister did it and they got results, you do it, doesn't make any sense. Probably making you lose weight, but it is also making you lose your health and immunity. आपके पास कितना भी पैसा हो, you cannot buy health. आप फ्रेंच फ्राई भी खा रहे हो, फिर थोड़ा पिज्जा भी खा रहे हो, that something is damaging.
How do you tell your clients कि mindfully खाना है?
Mindful eating is not at all tough. माइंडफुल ईटिंग के लिए ना सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है जो बहुत मुश्किल लगती है लोगों को. एंड सो व्हेनेवर पीपल आस्क अस कितना खाना है, मैं लिख देती हूँ कि तुमने ये खाना है, पर कितना खाना है वो तुम बताओगे. मैं नहीं बताऊंगी. द डे यू स्टार्ट लिसनिंग टू योर बॉडी. वेरी सैड दैट वी इन इंडिया वी डू नॉट हैव रूल्स येट फॉर द न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट.
Love this podcast because of the insights which you have given. I know इतने podcast में ही बहुत सारी चीजें लोगों को सीखने को मिली होंगी.
श्योर.
So hi guys, welcome to another episode of the Actophilia show. In today's podcast, we have a dietitian with us. She's a celebrity dietitian, and we are going to get a lot of insights on what kind of diet we should have and so many interesting things about diets. And we are going to bust a lot of myths about diets.
Yes.
So welcome ma'am, welcome Harpreet ma'am.
Thank you.
It's an honor to have you today.
Thank you.
And I hope this podcast is going to be very amazing, very insightful.
I hope so. Your audience like it. I'm going to give them a lot of tips, a lot of easy tips what they can follow, and they can take care of their health with these kind of tips.
Exactly. And I guess this kind of content is what helps the person and also gets viral.
Correct.
So yeah, you're the best guest to make our podcast shoot high. So thank you for that. Okay, so the first question is that I would like to begin is कि आप अपनी जर्नी के बारे में बताएं and how did you
Get into this field.
get into and what inspired you to be a dietitian?
Actually, I'm going to give this credit to my brother. He's in ONGC. He's Colonel Sukhvinder Singh.
Okay.
So he's 8 years older to me, and he has a lot of vision. So now I have been in this profession for almost 23 years. So you can imagine. So you can guess my age. You can put in the comment box if you want to.
23 years in this profession.
Yes, 23 years in this profession.
Okay.
So at that time, I wanted to pursue medical. I wanted to be a doctor because we just had like limitations. But my brother was the one who suggested me, listen, I know that you like medical field. Why don't you do something which is something similar, but you don't, because there's already so much saturation and you'll have a lot of things to do. You'll have to do MD and stuff. You may not get into it. So why don't you do something which is an upcoming field? So he's the one who's introduced me to this nutrition field.
Okay.
And the deal was that I'll try, because if I like it, I go ahead. I wanted to be in medical. I somehow liked the whole subject of sciences and, understanding about human physiology, what works on people. But when I went into it, I completely liked it. Yes, I did face my challenges because when 23 years back, when I started my profession, so that means I started my studies about 30 years back, correct? So because I did my graduation, I did my post-graduation MSc in nutrition at that time. I did my internship with the Christian Medical College. So 30 years back to take a decision and then, to go and figure out what are the job options, what can you do in this field where people never wanted to know कि what is diet. They were not even aware. Unless वो बीमार हो जाते थे कि हार्ट अटैक ही हो गया, तब हम हार्ट अटैक या कैंसर के केसेस में बहुत कम ही सुनते थे. वेट मैनेजमेंट के लिए तो कोई जाता ही नहीं था किसी के पास. So it was a challenge, of course, to figure out what you can do, but then to create your own, your own profile. Was quite challenging. It was nice. It was a very interesting journey. So a lot of things to discuss. If I tell that, to आधा घंटा इसी में So after that, I did do a lot of other, because it's very important to be updated in this field. I've done PhD, I've done my MD in alternative medicine, a lot of certification course, whether it was to do with nutrigenomics or whether to do with pediatric nutrition. So I kept upgrading. I keep upgrading till now.
That is so amazing. And the best part is that so you told that you have been in this field for like 23 years.
Yes.
And obviously I can't ask you about your age, but
You can guess now. Okay, I don't mind disclosing I'm 46.
wow. But you don't look 46. Okay, that is awesome. So this is the first time ever that I have, because I'm very interested about this nutrition and all. So the first time I've prepared so many questions and I just hope we cover all of them.
Let's see.
So if we talk about nutrition, कुछ ऐसे myths जो आप debunk करना चाहते हैं which are there prevalent in the mainstream media, जिसके बारे में लोग
Loads.
सुनते हैं, and you want
Loads and loads and loads and loads of them, but few of them which I'm going to tell you.
Yeah.
Okay, first thing is, listen, there is nothing which is just about calorie. Calorie is just one factor when we come to nutrition or diet. First of all, when we talk about nutrition, it is about nutrients. कि आप कितने न्यूट्रिएंट्स खा रहे हो, सही से खा रहे हो, नहीं खा रहे हो, राइट अमाउंट में खा रहे हो, राइट कॉम्बिनेशन में खा रहे हो, दैट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट. बट पीपल डू नॉट टॉक अबाउट दैट. पीपल टॉक अबाउट कैलोरी. फर्स्ट थिंग. सेकेंड थिंग, आई ऑलवेज सीन वेन एवर, स्पेशली हम वेट लॉस की अगर मैं बात करूँ, अगर बाकी हेल्थ पैरामीटर्स, दैट्स अ डिफरेंट थिंग, बट हेल्थ, व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट वेट लॉस, people always take up a fight. Okay, this is their body, this is them. They start taking a fight. I'm not going to give you aloo, I'm not going to give you ghee, I'm not going to give you sugar, I'm not going to give you rice. Okay, बस नो 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 करते रहते हैं कि ये भी नहीं देंगे, ये भी नहीं देंगे, पनिश करने हैं, कर रहे हैं. बॉडी सेज वेट एंड वॉच. जब मेरी बारी आएगी मैं तुम्हें नहीं छोड़ूंगा. इट्स लाइक अ सिबलिंग फाइटिंग. क्योंकि इसको मौका मिला तो ये चप्पा लगा देगा, इसको मौका मिला तो ये भी एक
लगा देगा.
तो ये बोलते हैं मैं तुम्हारी इम्यूनिटी, तुम्हारा हेयर लॉस, तुम्हें तुम्हारे गट इश्यूज, आई विल स्टार्ट अफेक्टिंग दैट. जब ये सारा इफेक्ट होने लग जाता है, हेयर फॉल होने लग जाता है, एनर्जी लेवल्स लो हो जाते हैं, आयरन लेवल्स डाउन हो जाते हैं, डेफिशिएंसी, तो वेट तो साइड हो जाता है, वो वापस बाउंस हो जाता है. सो that is something which people have to stop taking a fight with your body and saying, listen, I'm not going to give you this. I'm stamping कि apple is good, oats is good, or samosa is bad and bhatura is bad. Nothing is good, nothing is bad. How you eat it is good or bad. Okay, in our nutrition plan, when people come to us, they're like surprised, especially people who are in Amritsar or Ludhiana, Punjab. We give them paratha, we give them pinni, we give them gajar ka halwa, give them mango. If they're in south, we give them the idli, we give them whatever they are used to eating, but right way. So it depends basically from where you are, what your genes are. Okay,
Yeah.
what have you been eating? Like even for example, अगर हम carbohydrate देते हैं for breakfast with paratha, I may not give to everybody. Okay, people who are in menopause or perimenopause, ladies especially, okay, if I give them a carb-rich breakfast, they will rather not lose weight or they will not do well. But अगर younger lot है, if I give them a paratha with even white butter is something which my favorite, मैं सबको देती हूँ अपनी diets में. Like it's anti-inflammatory in your body. It takes care of so many things. It's a good fatty acid. और हमें कब समझ आएगी? अभी तक तो हम बोलते हैं घी बुरा है, white butter बुरा है. हमें कब समझ आएगी? जब अमेरिकन आएंगे वेस्टर्न कंट्री से और बोलेंगे क्लैरिफाइड बटर है, एनआरआई जब आएगा डब्बा लेके, then we'll start having, और वो जब 5,000 रुपए लीटर हो जाएगा तब हम खाएंगे. Why are we doing that? Abhi, as of now also, if you see, people are eating curcumin capsules, which is healthy. We have it all around. We have 300 and more varieties in India. Okay, so if you just like take haldi, उसको आप लगा दो, कच्ची हल्दी तो इजीली मिल जाती है, पॉट पे ही लगा दो, ठीक है, उसको एक साल में इतनी सारी हल्दी आ जाती है. Peel it off, use that in your regular diet. So much antioxidants you will get. And our Indian, when we talk about our Indian cuisine or we talk about Indian herbs and spices, they have amazing medicinal value. So first myth is calorie. 2 is stop taking a fight. 3 is please guys do not follow what is in trend. कपड़ों में ट्रेंड अच्छा लगता है, ज्वेलरी में ट्रेंड अच्छा लगता है, डाइट में ट्रेंड अच्छा नहीं है आपकी बॉडी के लिए. लगता तो छोड़ो, अच्छा ही नहीं है. You cannot follow, oh keto is in. Okay, I will do keto. Intermittent fasting is in. Is it meant for you? When I did my internship 23 years back, we were told that keto is for what? Okay, keto is a medical diet. Okay? It is to be done in the hospital in supervision for people who have problems like epilepsy. Okay, so उनके कीटोन चेक होते थे, डॉक्टर साथ में मॉनिटर करते थे क्या मेडिसिन चल रही है. So keto was a medical diet. When did it become a trendy diet? It did help a person to lose weight at that point, okay, but it is not. And I have people with me who have done keto and have damaged their kidneys. They have got big patches of alopecia at the hair loss. Okay, I can show you the pictures of that. I have it right now. Please do not. I'm not saying keto is wrong, keto is bad, or keto is right. Is it meant for you? Or is this not meant for you? Okay, intermittent fasting, another trend. So people are doing 18 hours, 24 hours, turning vegan all of a sudden. क्यों? Okay, were you required? Do you have gut issues your body is not able to tolerate? Why are you doing all that? Just because your friend or your neighbor or your sister did it and they got results, you do it, doesn't make any sense. That looks good कि हाँ उसने एक jeans ली, नया trendy जो jeans था तो मैंने भी ले लिया तो समझ आता है. But guys, don't do something which is probably making you lose weight, but it is also making you lose your health and immunity.
Right.
Please do not place your body if you do not take care of it, if you do not nourish it. How will it actually respond to you? How will it be healthy? And today everything is all about health. आपके पास कितना भी पैसा हो, आपके पास कुछ भी हो, you cannot buy health.
Exactly.
You can go to the best of the doctors, but can you really buy health? You can't. You have to work towards it, and working towards it in a right way is something which I would want everybody to do. Please do not do anything fad कि नई ग्रीन टी आ गई, नया पाइनएप्पल का कैप्सूल आ गया, नया गार्सिनिया कंबोजिया आ गया. क्या है गार्सिनिया? कोकम है भाई, आराम से मिलता है, उसको बॉईल करके पिलो से पत्ते थोड़ा हो जाओगे. देन देयर इज अ ट्रेंड, ठंडा चिल्ड पानी पीने से वेट लॉस हो जाता है, गर्म पानी पीने से वेट लॉस हो जाता है. मैं चना भटूरा खाऊंगा, आके 3 कप ग्रीन टी पी लूंगा, फैट थोड़ा मेल्ट हो जाएगा. Not possible. It's not that you can't eat chana bhatura. Eat in a right way. Eat at the right time. Eat in a right combo. Like for example, अगर आप बाहर जा रहे हो and you're going to eat a pizza, so हम normally क्या करते हैं? पिज्जा भी मंगा लेते हैं, पास्ता भी मंगा लेते हैं, सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक भी मंगा लेते हैं, फिर एक चलो dessert like a mousse or maybe a brownie. I would say don't have all.
Have one.
हाँ, आप फ्रेंच फ्राई भी खा रहे हो, फिर थोड़ा पिज्जा भी खा रहे हो, दैट समथिंग इज डैमेजिंग. You probably have one thing तसल्ली से आराम से. That is what you need to do, not just combine everything and everything because today is my cheat day. This is another trend, cheat day. कि मैं सारा वीक का प्रोग्रेस खत्म कर दूंगा एक ही दिन में, and I can eat anything and everything. No, cheat day doesn't mean that. Okay, it means you're eating it again, you're doing right selection of food, eating right amount of it, and eating it rightfully, because mindfully खाना भी तो बहुत जरूरी है. Exactly. Because your brain is going to decide what to do with that food.
So how do you tell your clients कि mindfully खाना है? Because बहुत problems भी आते होंगे suddenly when you're shifting to mindfully eating.
Mindful eating is not at all tough. Okay. Mindful eating के लिए ना सबसे important चीज़ है जो बहुत मुश्किल लगती है लोगों को. एंड जब हमारे पास लोग आते हैं ना, हम इंस्टेड ऑफ सेइंग कि ये मत खाओ और ये मत करो, we try to give them a lifestyle changes. The first change we ask them, no gadgets while you're eating. Okay, TV, phone, no diversion, no book, nothing. You're going to eat on the table. You're going to look at the food for at least 30 seconds. See what is there in your plate and then start eating. Okay, would you like to know why is that?
Why? Yeah, obviously.
Okay. अगर मैं आपको बोलती हूँ गोलगप्पे, या मैं आपको बोलती हूँ आम पन्ना, भेलपुरी, अचार, आफ्टर 30 seconds मुंह में पानी आने लग जाएगा.
Obviously.
सामने हमारे खाना भी नहीं है. Right? So when our body sees something, okay, or even listens about something, or there is just an aroma of a food, हमारे ब्रेन को सिग्नल मिल जाता है इस खाने का क्या करना है.
Right.
Okay? तो अगर मैं कोई खट्टी चीज देखती हूँ या सोचती हूँ या उसको स्मेल करती हूँ, मुंह में सलाइवा आता है saying ये एसिडिक है. Okay? Saliva is alkaline. You've seen the animals licking themselves when they get hurt?
Yes.
है ना? क्योंकि वो alkaline है, वो healer है.
Okay. Yeah.
So this saliva goes inside and makes a base कि एसिड आने वाला है भाई, पहले ही alkaline कर देते हैं. इतनी intelligent body है.
Wow.
When I'm looking at the food, the body knows, okay, I'm eating garam rice, I'm eating a thanda dahi, I'm eating an achar, I'm eating a dal. It will release right amount of digestive juices, bile, acid, what is required for the digestion. You've heard you are what you eat?
Yes.
I would say you are what you absorb and digest.
Okay.
Okay? आप खा लेते हो. कितने लोग बोलते हैं कि मेरी ना आयरन डेफिशिएंसी में तो रोज अनार खाती हूँ, मैं रोज पालक का सूप पीती हूँ. Why? Because you're eating and you're not absorbing. Because your gut health is not good. And you see a labor class, उसको हार्डली किसी एक्सेस है कि उसको ड्राई फ्रूट्स वगैरह कहाँ मिलते हैं. जो सीजनल है खा लिया, उसका आयरन लेवल हमेशा ठीक होगा, हेमोग्लोबिन हमेशा ठीक होगा. एंड द पीपल हु आर फ्रॉम अपर मिडिल क्लास, उनका आयरन लेवल हमेशा लो होगा आफ्टर ड्रिंकिंग ऑल दिस जूसेस. Because they are not, so your body is so intelligent that it will tell you. So now मेरे पास gadget है, मैं देख रही हूँ कोई TV show, okay, I'm seeing some series, I'm seeing some crime branch, brain is there and I'm eating. Do you really understand the body knows कि what am I eating?
Exactly.
So mindfully eating के लिए सबसे पहले is no gadgets.
No gadgets.
Okay. Be on a table, not on a couch, on a bed. Bed पे बैठ के जो खाना खाते हो, please stop it. So you have to sit on the dining table, or if you can sit down, nothing like it, पर वो कोई बैठता नहीं है. But dining table, sit straight. Do 3 inhalation and exhalation. Why are we doing?
Eating?
Yes. Why are we doing that? We need more oxygen. The
Hmm.
time we have more oxygen, we will automatically eat right. Oxygen is also a fat burner. It will help you absorbing the food better, breaking down the food better.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
When you do these things, you're automatically mindful. Your brain is so intelligent, as I told you, कि अगर आपका आज गला खराब हो रहा है, it'll tell you चाय चाहिए, गर्म चाय, अदरक वाली मसाला चाय, ऑरेंज जूस नहीं मांगता, करेक्ट ना? अगर आपका पेट खराब है, खिचड़ी मांगेगा कि बिरयानी? खिचड़ी, है ना? दही, कुछ भी स्पाइसी नहीं मांगता.
Obvious.
कहाँ से सिग्नल आ रहा है? पेट तो यहाँ खराब था, सिग्नल ये दे रहा है. गला तो यहाँ खराब था, सिग्नल ये दे रहा है, करेक्ट? So your body is giving you a signal of each and everything. Now when my mind is free and I'm sitting and eating and appreciating what I'm eating, I'm chewing my food, सिग्नल आ जाएगा कि एक रोटी बंद करनी है कि 1.5 के 2. डाइटिशियन को बताने की जरूरत नहीं है इतने ग्राम खाना खाना है. Your brain will tell you. Right? So whenever people ask us कितना खाना है, मैं लिख देती हूँ कि तुमने ये खाना है, ठीक है, पर कितना खाना वो तुम बताओगे, मैं नहीं बताऊंगी.
Right.
The day you start listening to your body, you're sorted. हाँ, and dietitian, like people say diet is a course. It's not a course. Okay, it's not an antibiotic course, right? It is something that I am not in a right position. You help me out, but you learn then कि मैं इसको कैसे correct करूँ. मैंने सीख लिया. Now I will do these changes and I will follow these changes forever. Now if as a parent I am eating on the table, my child will eat on the table.
Yes.
बोलेगा वो को टीवी देखना है, ये करना है, वो करना है, उसको बोलो 20 मिनट में खाना खाओ, then तुम टीवी देख लो. But never put the child in front of the TV कि मैं इसको खिला रही हूँ, ये टीवी देखी जा रहा है, because your body is not digesting. आपका बच्चा absorb ही नहीं कर रहा उस कैल्शियम को, उस आयरन को, उस न्यूट्रिएंट्स को जो उसको चाहिए उसके ग्रोथ के लिए, उसके इम्यूनिटी के लिए. So mindful eating automatically comes when you are out of the gadget, you're sitting, you're doing deep breathing, and then eating your food by having a gratitude कि जो मिला बड़ा बढ़िया. Right?
Yeah, right. तो जैसे आप बात कर रहे थे कि there is a right time to eat and right quantity to eat. तो
right combination.
right combination to it. तो उसके बारे में थोड़ा explain करो. Like एक चीज कहते हैं ना कि you shouldn't eat after 6 or 7 p.m.
No, not at all. See, you shouldn't eat heavy dinner and sleep is the thing.
Yes.
पर अगर आप 11 बजे सोते हो तो you cannot have your dinner at 6 and then start keep looking at fridge and then have a packet of bhujia, right? वही करते हैं लोग. तो first of all what I meant by right combination is कि अगर आप खाने के बाद fruit खा रहे हो, it's a wrong combination.
खाने के बाद fruit.
Yes. So fruit has to be always had in a mid meal. Mid meal मतलब या तो 11 बजे breakfast और lunch के बीच में या lunch and dinner के बीच में. So never have it after. यार बहुत सारे लोग if you go travel तो breakfast buffet में पहले fruit खाते हैं, फिर juice पीते हैं, फिर नाश्ता करते हैं. That's a wrong thing. So right combinations is what I meant. Right timing I mean to say is you need to know when to have a certain food. Like that is again individualized. Some people absorb or break down carb very well in the morning and some people need it in the night. Okay, so knowing your body, there is no specific rule for anybody. You have 2 eyes, nose, lips. I have, everybody has. Do we look the same? है तो 2 ही आंखें, एक ही नाक. सब डिफरेंट लगते हैं, पूरी दुनिया डिफरेंट लगती है. सिमिलरली आपके पास भी हार्ट, किडनी, स्टमक सब कुछ है, मेरे पास भी है. जो मुझ पे काम करेगा वो नॉट नेसेसरली आप पे काम करेगा. Right? So what works for मेरा peak hunger time में भी 7 o'clock, 6 o'clock है. After I come back. आपका peak hunger हो सकता है breakfast time हो.
Right.
Correct. So that those things make a difference.
So how does a person understand himself?
That's what our job is.
Okay.
That's what our job is, because when we sit, and please guys, another thing is please do not go to quacks. Okay, you all have to understand, and we have a full society which is a campaign against the quacks. The nutrition quacks means people, I have lost 30 kilos, so I can help you lose 13 kilos. You haven't studied human physiology. You do not know what is stomach acid, what is prebiotic, what is probiotic. Just going on the internet, you cannot come. It is nutrition. It's not a tailor shop. It is not a jewelry shop कि आप किसी को कुछ भी दे सकते हो. Right? So just because you lost weight या आपने एक 2 महीने का कोर्स कर लिया या 3 महीने का एक ऑनलाइन कोर्स कर लिया, you have the right. And very sad that we in India we do not have rules yet for the nutritionists. Okay, we do have an Indian Dietetic Association, but most of them are not even part of it because most of them are not qualified. The known big names in the industry, which is very sad. They're not even part of the association. And there is no ruling, though we've been fighting about it and Rajya Sabha में कुछ bill pass हुए हैं and we are hoping कि कुछ rules आ जाएं, but it will take time. But guys, please, first thing, instead of going and asking what are your charges, to nutritionist, which people ask, तुम कितना month लेती हो, दूसरा वाला कम लेते हैं. Please stop doing that. Ask them what is your qualification.
It's important to ask the right questions.
Yes.
Right.
If a person is not MSc in nutrition from a good university which is affiliated, please do not go. If that person doesn't have an internship in a good hospital for at least a year, do not go to that person because they are going to ruin your health. वो आपको कोई भी पानी, मेथी पानी, जीरा पानी, इतना कुछ इंटरनेट पे है, वो सब कुछ ही पिला देंगे. आपको पता ही नहीं. Like for example, I had a case with me. That person was it's a young girl, huh? She is about like 14, 10th में 14, 15 years. And her mother is worried that she's been constantly bleeding in her stools. Okay? उसके stools में, motion में blood आ रहा है.
Okay.
Nobody is able to figure out. Piles नहीं है. उसकी they had to do endoscopy, they had to do colonoscopy, couldn't figure out. बहुत परेशान. And her mother was with me for a very long time. Then we just sat down and I started just talking. It took us around 1.5 hours. And in the end she told me कि मैं ना इसको तुलसी, हल्दी, काली मिर्च का पानी पिलाती हूँ. क्यों? कोविड से पिला रही हूँ. क्यों पिला रही हूँ? इम्यूनिटी के लिए. कहाँ पढ़ा था? किसी का सुना था व्हाट्सएप पे. ना उसमें cinnamon भी, she was adding a lot of things. All these things are thermogenic and few things are blood thinner.
Okay.
Okay? उस बच्चे का gut already weak था. She started bleeding because it was a blood thinner. Even doctors, even in Medhanta, they had gone. They couldn't figure out this was as simple as reason because इन्होंने बताया ही नहीं. अगर डॉक्टर को बताया होता तो उनको पता भी चल जाता शायद this. Okay? वो तो हमारी बात करते भी could come out. So उठा के कोई भी पानी, कोई भी juices, कोई भी खाने, कोई भी powders ना खाओ because you're eating them. Body is going to reflect it in one or the other time.
Right.
Please do not do all these things to your body. And as I told you, it's very sad that there are a lot of people who just get up and say कि मेरा weight loss हुआ इसलिए मैं आपका भी करा दूंगा. Okay? मैंने 3 महीने का कोर्स किया है. So many people like 18 साल I was in some other field, in a marketing field. And now all of a sudden मैंने एक 6 महीने का कोर्स कर लिया है abroad से. So I become a qualified nutritionist. I have my patients in Ludhiana, which is again very sad, who are like 40, 42 years, have done nothing in life till now. Normal एक housewife थे, स्मार्ट लेडीज थी एंड अब कुछ नहीं है करने को. एक 3 महीने के छोटे छोटे से कोर्सेज करके अपना क्लिनिक्स खोलिए, लोग जा रहे हैं. Please guys, do not do this. Please, first thing you have to ask is what is your qualification? Are you postgraduate, not even graduate, postgraduate in nutrition, in dietetics, from a good university? Which hospital have you been to? Where have you done your internship? Have you learned under some good nutritionist for at least 5 years? No nutritionist should open her own clinic till she has a 5 years of experience under a good nutritionist, under qualified, not under any slimming centers.
Right.
Okay? Slimming centers वगैरह में सिर्फ sales हो रही है, marketing हो रही है. And gym trainers, I know you guys are very qualified, which is very good. But like how I would not know about muscles, probably you wouldn't know that much about gut health, about what is anti-inflammatory food, what is omega-3. You may read on the net, which is good. मुझे भी थोड़ा बहुत तो muscles के बारे में पता होगा, exercise. But am I qualified to exactly tell you what to do? How much bench press? नहीं ना. Similarly, you would not be able to tell people what to do. Please do not give keto to everybody.
Right.
Okay, it's not meant for everybody. It is meant probably for few people. अगर करवाना है तो कुछ एक certain days के लिए कराना था. So that's a different story altogether. Who and what.
Yes.
But stay away from quacks is what you all need to. There's on Instagram. There's a campaign against. This is called as Kanak करके.
Kanak.
You can follow that. So there's a campaign where all the nutritionists are getting, the qualified nutritionists are getting together to fight against the quacks.
We had this conversation, जैसे आप बता रहे, there are 2 terms which I forgot. I think it is sattvic and tamasic food, right? Which you were talking about. Thermo something.
Thermogenic. Thermogenic food जिसको आप लोग बोलते हैं गर्म तासीर and ठंडी तासीर.
Okay. It's not sattvic and tamasic.
No. We're talking about thermogenic food because there are certain foods which produce heat in your body.
Okay.
And there are certain foods which are cooling to your body.
Okay.
So as per your season, as per your body, as per your acidity, you have to have right type of food.
Okay.
So जैसे हम कहते हैं डायबिटीज जो है वो जामुन का भी जूस पिए जा रहे हैं, नीम का भी पिए जा रहे हैं, मेथी का पिए जा रहे हैं. नहीं करना है. अगर आपको कुछ और प्रॉब्लम है अंदर, तो वो अगर आपको हार्ट इश्यूज है या आप ऑलरेडी किसी ब्लड थिनर पे हो, तो और प्रॉब्लम बढ़
जाएगा. Right.
And so please do not do it on your own just because somebody is doing it or somebody is just telling you to do it. Do not do it. And these cannot be done for lifelong. Another thing which you all have to learn कि nutrition plans जो भी अगर आपको qualified nutritionist के पास जाते हो, certain things आपको बताते हैं ऐसे करना है, वो lifelong के लिए नहीं है.
Right.
टेक द गाइडलाइंस बिफोर यू लीव कि मेरी बॉडी के लिए मुझे अब क्या करना है, बिकॉज हमारे यहाँ पे सीजन्स चेंज होते हैं,
Exactly.
राइट, लोकल फूड्स चेंज हो जाते हैं उसके हिसाब से,
Hmm.
तो यू हैव टू ईट अकॉर्डिंगली. आई कैन नॉट कीप ईटिंग इफ आई recommended a pinni or some handful of nuts to somebody or walnuts in winters. You cannot have that in summers, no.
Obviously.
We'll have to change the quantity or we'll have to change the ratio, whatever, but you cannot have the same food forever. अब वही लस्सी जो है, जो वाटरमेलन है, वो सर्दियों में नहीं पी सकते.
Yeah, right.
So you will have to understand as per your season which area you're living in. Like I live in Goa, so वहाँ वाटरमेलन all 12 months मिलता है, बट मानसून में नहीं खाते. सर्दियों में तो दिसंबर जनवरी वहाँ गर्मी होती है, ठंड नहीं होती है, तो यू कैन ईट, बट वही चीज़ आप पंजाब में नहीं कर सकते.
Right, exactly. And like through this conversation I'm understanding कि लोग they don't go to dietitians, वो WhatsApp की चीजें पढ़ के they would do things.
Oh,
And
yeah.
why is it so important to actually go to a very certified, जैसे आपने सब ये वाली credentials होंगे,
Qualified, yeah.
qualified होने चाहिए, then only you go. Because otherwise you will just mess up with your body and
Correct.
you'll just look at what WhatsApp is saying, but other, and it is always
It's just a forward. It's just a rumor.
Yeah.
Like there was just a rumor, right? कि Sidhu Moosewala's father is going to have two twins. But today I think I just saw in the morning they had one son. Congratulations to them. But
Yeah.
you don't know what's coming on Instagram and WhatsApp and who's
Right.
spreading it,
Hmm.
right? उसमें कितनी सारी चीजें आती है, सब करने बैठ जाओगे तो कुछ भी नहीं खा पाओगे. ये भी नहीं खाना, वो भी नहीं खाना, ये भी नहीं, ये ज्यादा करना, ये कम करना है. डरना बंद करो खाने से. पहली बात तो खाना को देख के मत बोलो कि ये मेरा वेट गेन कर देगा, ये समोसा मैं आधा ही खाता हूँ. नो, प्लीज स्टॉप बीइंग गिल्टी, स्टॉप बीइंग स्कैर्ड. दिस फूड इज गोइंग टू नरिश यू. ये आपके सेल्स में जाता है ना, ये सेल्स आपकी इम्यूनिटी बनाते हैं, आपकी हेल्थ बनाते हैं, आपको आपका हेयर अच्छा करते हैं, आपका स्किन अच्छा करते हैं, आपको खुश रखते हैं, आपके हार्मोन्स करेक्ट करते हैं. सो उसको पहले तो ब्लेस करो कि आपको मिला, उसको थैंक यू बोलो और आप उसको खाओ. हाँ, आपके हिसाब से जो खाना जरूरी है वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बट अंडरस्टैंड what you're eating and eat it with happiness and not with guilt. And when you deprive, अगर आप कहते हो मैं ये नहीं खा रहा, मैं ये नहीं खा रहा, तो क्या हो जाता है? डेफिशिएंसीज आते ही क्या होता है? क्रेविंग्स. जैसे कोई बोलता है ना, मुझे ना, मैं मीठे के बिना नहीं रह सकता, तो आई टेल देम, आर यू born with a sweet tooth? You got this sweet tooth over a period of time. You developed it over a period of time. Why? Because you were depriving your body of certain nutrients. Okay, or your body is not absorbing certain nutrients. That is why you are getting this craving. Zinc की क्रेविंग की वजह से आपको कोई भी मीठा खाने का मन करेगा. मैग्नीशियम की वजह से आपको चॉकलेट प्रोडक्ट्स, कॉफी का मन करेगा, राइट? अगर आपकी बॉडी में इलेक्ट्रोलाइट सही नहीं है, सोडियम वगैरह सही नहीं है, तो आपको बहुत सारे फ्राइज खाने का मन करेगा, चिप्स खाने का मन करेगा. सो ईच फूड, व्हेन यू से कि आई क्रेव फॉर दिस, ओके, देयर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड एज टेम्पटेशन एंड क्रेविंग. टेम्पटेशन मतलब मेरा मन करा, देखा, थोड़ा खाया, ओके है. क्रेविंग है और खाना, फिर वापस जाके एक पैकेट में से फिर एक मुट्ठी लेना. दैट मीन्स आई एम क्रेविंग. आई एम क्रेविंग बिकॉज आई एम डिप्राइव्ड. Why am I deprived? You shouldn't be deprived. And because of that you have deficiencies. So deficiencies से क्या क्या और damages होने वाले body में? You have no end to that list.
So thank you, ma'am, for coming on this podcast. I know there is this time constraint because of which we couldn't. I have a lot of questions to ask you, and I have loved this podcast because of the insights which you have given. I know इतने podcast में ही बहुत सारी चीजें लोगों को सीखने को मिली
I'm
होंगी.
sure you get some points down here that no gadgets while eating food.
Yeah.
No calorie. हर चीज को स्टैप मत करो. ब्रीदिंग करो. खाना खाने से पहले राइट न्यूट्रिशन, राइट कॉम्बिनेशन में खाओ. If you just do these things, and ये जितने भी आपको ये नीम जूस, ये जूस, वो जूस मिलता है, कोई भी बताता है, मत पियो because you're going to damage.
WhatsApp यूनिवर्सिटी की मत सुनो.
Exactly. So अगर आप खुद ही घर में हेयर स्ट्रेटनिंग करने की कोशिश करोगे तो क्या होगा? बाल जल जाएंगे ना. So it's something like that. So please do not do something.
So I'm just hoping that I'll get you back on the podcast very soon.
In my next visit. Today I have loads of patients waiting for consultation because I come once in 2 months and 3 months to Amritsar. So हमारे patients already wait कर रहे हैं. So we'll close that here.
So thank you guys for watching this podcast, and I promise you I'll soon bring ma'am again on this podcast. And बहुत सारे जो topics रह गए हैं जिनके बारे में बात करना रहेगी. So we'll talk about that.
Sure, they can actually ask you questions, and maybe in the next session we can do that.
Yes, we can do that also.
Perfect.
So you can give your Instagram.
Yeah, my Instagram is nutritionist Harpreet Pasricha. If you just follow that, you'll get to know
Right. And
Lot of information I put in that as well.
right. Awesome.
Lot of
And
recipes like how to make homemade chocos for kids.
oh,
And
nice.
strawberry jam, very very quick, very easy recipes. बहुत महंगी महंगी भी नहीं है. You can try all that. I put a lot of these recipes which I
Right.
make for my children.
Right.
So you can try that because I have two daughters and one of them is into sports. She's a squash player.
Yeah.
So वो इंडिया के लिए खेलती है. So I do a lot of homemade foods for her, whether it is good protein content, antioxidants, or vasodilators for her performance. So there are a lot of recipes are on that Instagram handle. You can go and check that out.
Yes, exactly. And जो भी आपके questions हैं आप Actophilia show पे डाल सकते हैं. And we're gonna see you soon on this podcast.
Thank you
Yeah,
very much.
thank you so much.
All right.
Thank you.